Hey guys, welcome back. Average Model Guy here, bringing you the 1/20th Scale Tyrrell P34 1977 Monaco GP race car. I've had this model for a while, probably for over a year or so, and I haven't opened the box yet. I've been in the mood to do a race car lately, so I think I'm gonna change up little things from military and construction and do me a race car now. I don't remember where I got this model from, but I'm pretty excited about building it. We'll go over the contents inside the box and be on the lookout for future build videos. Alright, here's our instruction sheet. One thing I like about Tamiya models, they're really detailed. I love how they have the colors directly on the instructions, XF16 and so on and so forth. So looks like we're going to be starting out with the motor as usual. So this should be a pretty fun build. Looking forward to it. A lot of small pieces. Yeah, we even got a driver with this one. That ought to be a lot of fun. Our decals, instructions. So this ought to be pretty fun. That's right. Let's check out the sprues. There's our first white tree here. Piece of the cockpit. Various other pieces. Looks pretty good. This is our driver tree here. Pretty detailed body. It's got the harness on him already. This is his helmet. It's two pieces, front and back. His arms, I guess we don't have feet. I guess we can't see them, so we don't have to worry about them. That'd be good. There's our first blue tree. We got our front spoiler and body. There are pieces to go along with that. Looks very clean, not a whole lot of extra flashing or anything like that so far, which is good. Our second blue one, or cockpit pieces. Is this an option maybe? Make it blue or white maybe? I don't know. Guess I'll have to look at the instructions, because that looks like the same as our white. Yeah, it does. Same pieces. Interesting. Same with that blue one. I don't know. I guess we'll find out once we start building it. Pretty good detail on there. Got a silver tree, I guess we'd call it. Not chrome, but I'm glad these engine pieces are in this and not chrome. That'll make it a lot easier. Paint these with aluminum and everything. Make it look all nice and good. Looks like our starter there, maybe? I don't know. Engine block pieces. Looks like you're going to assemble the entire block. Transmission and everything on this. So that ought to be a lot of fun. Alright, then we have a couple black trees here. This one has our radiator and a lot of our steering components. Wheel backs, I'm assuming. There's our steering wheel. Intercoolers of some sort, I'm assuming. More pieces to the engine. Yeah. This looks really detailed out as far as the pieces go. This is going to be, I'm really looking forward to this. This is going to be a fun build. Alright, our second black one again. And here's our wheels again. Like the front ones. Suspension pieces. Nice disc brakes. Alright, we got two chrome trees. Not much chrome, that's good. And then we've got our tires. I love these tires. These rear tires are friggin' huge. Look at these bad boys. Thick. These all scuffed up. Make them look pretty sharp. Goodyear. Here's our 4 front ones. So yeah, these are looking really good. A couple more various little pieces. We got our, I think these are supposed to be plug wires. Looks like that'll be sharp. I've never done that before. Some little plastic bearings of some sort. They're hoses. They're actually pretty, yeah, it's an actual hose. That's cool. It's not a thick piece of rubber. It's an actual hose. That's pretty detailed out. I like that. And then I have one little piece in here. It looks like a piece of plastic, clear plastic. I don't know if that goes on the front of the race car as like a guard or what. Not really sure, but yeah, it's in there. And then our final, we got our decal sheet. It's plural, I should say. That'd be good. If you decide not to put the driver in, you can probably put that behind. I wouldn't recommend trying to stick that to the driver. I don't know if that would work out too well. But I guess this is the driver decal sheet. I don't know. Well, might have to give it a shot. And then here's our car decal sheet. First National City. And then our numbers. And of course our sponsor, Elf. Alright, that is it. That is it for this unboxing. This is a pretty good detailed box. I'm looking forward to building to it. And if you guys don't mind, give me a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, leave some comments below. We'll have some build videos coming out soon. Thanks again for watching.